Well, guys, what is going on there in Mozambique? Something good is happening. If you see Mayeni Anna in the comment section, just know that whatever Muslim Salako is doing right now, it is a good thing. Maybe they did have a conversation as a family. There's no way Muslim Salako can do this if they did not have any conversation. Maybe after Muslim Salako coming from the hospital, because if you get admitted to the hospital and get a chance to get out, there's something new that happening. Either you change or you become worse. So anyway, guys, let's get started today. You know, the rest of the house is someone in peace and Marcella. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love. Yesterday, guys, we were surprised by Muslim Seleko. All of us, we were shocked. We even went to Vuyokazi's Instagram account to check if to compare, but there was nothing there. So this is what Muslim Seleko posted on his Instagram account. A picture ingane zakavuyokazi Mhlopekazi and Zulu Lomfihlakalo Mseleko Kaiser. Everyone were like, hi bo Musam Seleko, this is a good thing. Finally, you decided to post in Ganesaka Vuyokazi. It seems like Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo, they decided to put their issues aside and focus on raising their two kids. We still remember on the final season is Ganes's Tembo season 2. Utirelo did say that, you know what, Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi, they need to put their issue aside and focus on raising their kids because they do have kids. And people were happy to hear Terelo saying that it seems like things are looking good for Mpumelelo, Musamseleko, Vuyokazi. There was something that Ukolani mentioned on the live while he was busy talking to his baby mama on TikTok. He went on to say that he will never allow any woman to separate him with his daughter. I feel like it was something that we guys needed to hear, that even if you marry someone else, their kids, your kids belong to their father. Yes, you might get married and live your life, but never stop your father of your kids and access to also have an opportunity to raise his kids, guys. So if you look at this picture, ayikho kuVuyokazi's Instagram, meaning that it was a Vuyokazi who sent this picture maybe to Mpumelelo or to Mayeni or to Musamsalako. We don't know, guys. As you can see in this picture, it is a recent picture. Unzulu, he has now grown up. Last time Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi separated, Unzulu, he was a very young, guys. He's just 1 year old this year. So you can see this picture is a recent picture. We don't know whether they went to Muzumbe for a holiday, because now we are in school holiday. They just want to enjoy Christmas there. But guys, there's something that I've learned is that when you come from hospital, if you get admitted to hospital and you get opportunity to get out, you become somebody else. If you have kids, they always have an argument. You will call them and sit down with them and have a conversation. Like, you will try to fix. If you have wives, you will try to fix the situation, because you become, like we have seen our parents, our grandmother, you know, if they get a chance to be admitted to the hospital, when they come back, they start being this person that you don't know. It's either they become a good person or a bad person. If they've done something to you, they will even ask for forgiveness, to say, can you please forgive me? If they have a child that they were not supporting, they will even start to say, can you please go and get the child so that he can spend a Christmas with us? If your brother has 2 kids and they are not good terms with their baby mama, he will start, or your grandmother or your grandfather, he will start, come on, you need to be there for your kids. Like, you become this person that you don't even know. I don't know, maybe it was Musamsaleko who decided to put Mpumelelo and to say, Mpumelelo, can you please be there for your kids? Vuyokazi and you need to put your issue aside and raise your kids. I don't know, guys, what I'm trying to say. It makes sense, but I'm saying what I saw yesterday on Musamsaleko's Instagram. It means that Mseleko and Vuyokazi's family realized that they need to put their issue aside. Whatever happened to Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi has nothing to do with the kids. The kids are innocent in this situation. So we are happy to see Mpumelelo, Musamseleko, Umayini have access to those kids. End of the day, that's their family. End of the day, guys, there's nothing we can do about that. Even if Vuyokazi get married to someone else, Vuyokazi, Mpumelelo's kids will never change their arms. Hey guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy festive season, enjoy and be very careful. Bye.